In this video, I'll show you how you can get rid of the tokens in League of Legends. Now first what you need to do is close down League of Legends, then close it down completely, open it up as a new one, then let it load for a little bit. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna log into our account again. There we go. Press play, and then from in here what you want to do is click on your profile up here once you're in, and double click fast on the edit icon. So let me show you. Now that it's done loading, click here and then double click fast. Now this will get rid of the tokens right here, and as you can see, if I go in, I can choose a new one if I want and select everything. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.